I love my job. Coming into these houses where people have just let life get too much and on top of them, and spending a full day with my best friend, myself, transforming these places. Making the energy absolutely transformed can transform a life. So sometimes in life we can get overwhelmed. We can just feel like things are too much and let things go. And during those times, it's wonderful if a little angel comes into our world and does the things we can't do, which is take care of all these millions of items and turn a sense of absolute unbridled chaos into a sense of slowly workable order. There we go. Here we go, gang. We are back after a bunch of very intense hours looking at the difference we've made to this place. So let's have a look. If you compare this to the original video, there's quite a difference there. Over into the bathroom. Again, quite a difference. Check it out. There we go. It's a much nicer bathroom. Check the bedroom out. Wow, makes me want to have a little sleep here. Much nicer, right? Took a bunch of hours. Wasn't that easy. And you can't get rid of clutter, but you can put it into some semblance of order. And then that gives you the ability to clean. And then once you clean and you're opening up some spaces, you can start to weave the magic. So it's not that easy, but it's highly worthwhile. There you go. Hope this guy loves it.